Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best electric kettles you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many electric kettles and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each electric kettles, so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss what are the key things to consider when buying an electric kettle. First, think about capacity. Choose a size that fits your daily needs, whether it's for one cup or several. Next, consider the power and speed because higher wattage means faster boiling time. Material also matters. Stainless steel is durable, while glass allows you to see the water level. Check for safety features like automatic shutoff and ball dry protection to avoid accidents. A comfortable handle and an easy pour spout make everyday use simpler. If you enjoy tea or coffee, temperature control options are a great addition for perfect brewing. Finally, factor in design and price. Pick one that looks good and fits your budget. Paying attention to these points helps you make a smart purchase that lasts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.